Hi, Hillary here with Car Keys Express, and this is the Nissan Smart Simple Key. Replacing modern car keys usually requires professional tools and equipment, but Simple Key allows you to add a new key to your vehicle using plug-and-pair technology. Today, I'll show you just how easy it is. In the box, you'll find a smart key with an uncut emergency key blade inside, the easy installer, and the user guide. There are 2 steps to making your new key work with your vehicle: cut and pair. First, cut. The new emergency key blade can be cut at any local hardware store or retailer where house keys are sold. This step isn't required to pair Simple Key to your vehicle, but we recommend it. If your car battery ever dies, you can use it to unlock your vehicle. Next is pairing. But before we get started, make sure you read the important notes section in your user guide. It is important that all existing working keys are present during the pairing process. Once you pair a new key, all previous keys will be erased from the memory. The others will not be functional until you pair them again. Okay, let's get started. These instructions have timing requirements. Once you begin, move at a quick and even pace. If you wait too long between steps, your vehicle's computer will time out and you'll have to start over. First, make sure you have all working keys with you. Start with the vehicle in park and the engine off. All doors should be closed. You're going to want to test your vehicle's key pairing slot. To do so, use a small, flathead screwdriver to open the key and remove the batteries. And insert a key into the pairing slot. The exact location of your vehicle's pairing slot can be found in your vehicle's owner's manual. Now, press the brake and try to start the car. If your vehicle doesn't start, the pairing slot is not working and you'll not be able to add a new key until it is repaired. Do not proceed until the pairing slot is repaired. If your vehicle does start, turn off the ignition, remove the key from the vehicle's key pairing slot, and continue to the next step. In the user guide, find the correct dial position for your vehicle's make, model, and year, and turn the dial on the Easy Installer to the correct position. If there's more than one dial position for your vehicle, try the primary position first. Insert the Easy Installer firmly into the onboard diagnostic or OBD port of your vehicle, commonly located under the steering wheel. The exact location of your vehicle's OBD port can be found in your vehicle's owner's manual. Once the Easy Installer is inserted, push the button on the end and hold it for 2 seconds to start the key pairing process. Now that you have all your existing and new keys and all the batteries are removed, press and hold the Easy Installer button for 2 seconds and release. Turn the hazard lights on and press the Easy Installer button again to continue. Insert one of your original keys into the key pairing slot. Do not press the brake pedal during the rest of the pairing process. Press the vehicle's start button twice to turn the engine on and wait for the next screen on the Easy Installer. Press the start button again to turn the vehicle off. Press the Easy Installer button to continue. Then, press the Easy Installer button again. Remove the original key from the pairing slot and insert the next key. Press the Easy Installer button to continue. Wait up to 30 seconds for the next screen to appear. Then, without touching the brake pedal, press the vehicle's start button once more. The dash lights will turn on. Press the Easy Installer button again. Wait up to 30 seconds for the next screen to appear. Then press the vehicle's start button once. The dash lights will turn off. Press the Easy Installer button to continue. Press the vehicle's start button once again. The dash lights will turn on and the security light will flash 5 times. Press the vehicle's start button again. The dash lights will turn off. Remove the key from the slot. To pair additional keys, press and hold the Easy Installer button for 2 seconds. Then, insert the next key and follow the on-screen messages again. Once you've paired all keys, remove the last key from the slot and press the Easy Installer button once. Insert one of the paired keys into the slot again and press the Easy Installer button to continue. Press the Start button to turn the ignition on. Press it again to turn the ignition off. Finally, press the Easy Installer button to exit the pairing process and unplug it from the OBD port. Remove the key from the slot and turn off the hazard lights. Reinsert all key batteries. Then press the brake and start the vehicle. That's it! Congratulations! You have a new key. I'm Hillary here with Car Keys Express, and now you know just how easy it is to add a new key to your vehicle with Simple Key.